Hi everyone, it's me Lucy back with another video, and in this video I will show you how to download and install Snapchat on Android device. So first you will need to go to your Play Store. After you're in the Play Store, click on the search button at the bottom right of your screen, and in the search bar type Snapchat. Click on search, and at the top you will see the Snapchat app. Click on it and you will see this install button in this blue line. Click on that and wait until it installs your Snapchat app in your phone. So after it has installed your Snapchat, click on open and you'll be taken to your Snapchat app. And after that, you can log into your Snapchat account, or you can also create a new Snapchat account. And these are all the steps you need to follow in order to download and install Snapchat in your Android device. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.